Hi, Em here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to make a sawtooth star. This and this. I will put links to my patterns down below. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. Alright, to make your sawtooth star, you're going to need 4 squares, 4 flying geese, and 1 larger square. So these squares here are going to be half the size plus a ½ inch for our seam allowance as what this larger square is. So these right here are 2.5, this is 4.5, and then we're going to have our flying geese that are 2.5 by 4.5. I have 2 tutorials that show how to make the flying geese. You can choose which one works best for you. And if you're doing a no waste method, then I have a free skip the math. It's a cheat sheet, so you don't have to do the math for multiple sizes of flying geese, the most popular sizes. So I'll put a link to that down below. I'll put a card up above for my 2 different methods of making flying geese, and then I will also put a link to those in the description below. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to surround our square with our flying geese. And then we're going to take our smaller squares and they're going to go in our corners. And we're going to sew these into rows. So along here, and along here. Once we get these rows sewn, we're going to press towards the squares. So we're pressing toward the smaller squares on this one and in toward the larger square on this one. That just enables us to butt our seams as we sew our rows together. See how they go together like that? Alright, so we're going to sew our rows together next. Once we get the rows sewn together, we can pop the seams. I have a tutorial for that. It just helps. I'll put a card up above and a link down below. But this just helps everything lay flatter when you do that. If you just want to press it one way or the other, you can also do that. Do what works for you. Isn't that great? We can do that in quilting. And then you just get this lovely sawtooth star. You can play with the center. You could make it a 4-patch, like in my Braveheart, it's an hourglass. So have fun playing with it. So if you've liked learning how to make this quilt block, I have a whole playlist of basic quilt blocks, and I'll put a card up above and a link below for that so that you can watch and learn how to make more quilt blocks. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.